Mr. Mojo here, and we're going to go through using your lancet device. Your lancet device has a depth gauge at the top. I like to set mine about the middle. That's my Goldilocks zone for testing. So let's go and do one. So open it up, twist it out like that. You're going to grab yourself a fresh, clean, sterile lancet, and you will place it in the top like that. You twist off, put the top back on, like so. Click it in. We will pull it back to get it ready to fire, and you will press it by firing it like that. When preparing, I like to use an alcohol swab. Just open that little puppy up. Let's put it to the side. I like to use the side of my finger on the edge just here because there's a lot less nerve endings there, and it's a far more pleasant experience. I've set my lancet device to the middle setting. I pull it back like that, and you see that the orange is ready to fire. I place it on the side of the finger quite firmly. I'm holding onto the top and go like that. I'm looking for a bead about that big. Simple and easy.